Miss Kate, this looks like a crazy project.
It is kind of crazy, but it was so fun to do. I was so excited. Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do something I think is really fun. It combines lots of stuff that I love. Messy and wet chalk and interesting design.
What?
I know, so watch this.
Trifecta.
So, this is one you have to ask permission for a lot of things before you start this, just to let you know. You need a couple of things. You need some sort of piece of fabric. It could be like an old sheet. I set my space up so I wouldn't make a giant mess. Here's some oat milk, but you can use regular milk.
Miss Kate, this looks like a crazy project.
It is kind of crazy, but it was so fun to do. I was so excited. Oh, also if you have soft pastels, sometimes they're called chalk pastels, or if you just have some colored chalk, I think you could use that as well. So I'm going to put my piece of fabric into my bowl of milk. Now I'm going to take my piece of paper that I had from before, place it down here so that I don't get the ink from the newspaper onto the back of my fabric here. And then you have to sort of move quickly, so think about what you're going to do. My original one was a sunflower, and I think I'm actually going to make another sunflower. So using my soft pastels, I'm going to get the middle of my sunflower. I'm going to kind of move fast. You know how I like to soak chalk?
Yes.
In water.
Yes.
And then we draw on the sidewalk because it's really fun. This is like chalk paint.
And really vibrant colors.
Yeah, so this kind of works the same way.
Like, is the chalk going away fast in your hands?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, it goes really fast on
It's
this
very
one.
satisfying.
Yeah, so I'm going to add a couple little dots. And then I'm going to just add some color to the background here. Now this is not something that you could use that you're going to wash again. This could be a good piece of art to frame. Because even though I'm going to seal the chalk into the fabric, it's not really going to stay. If you wash it, it'll wash out. So now it's all wet and it's not really in there, but now I want to set the pastels. So I'm going to put this down on here, get a clean piece of paper. And this is where you have to get permission from your parents or have a parent help you. I'm using an iron. I put it on the wool setting, and I'm just going to heat set it, which means that I'm heating it up so that the pastels will go right into the fabric and hopefully stay there, unless I threw it in the washer and then they'd wash out. Okay, so look, see it came off on the paper. That's already like a little piece. It's like a print of my art here. And then now I have this. It's still a little wet because I didn't spend a lot of time ironing it. But if I wanted to, I could put each of these in a frame and hang them up somewhere right in here. Who knows? I don't know what we're going to do. So that's what we're making today. If you would like to do this, a piece of fabric, some chalk or soft pastels, a little milk, but ask permission. Oh, also you can reuse the milk. This is the milk I used for this one. I put it in a jar and I just reused it.
Don't put it in your tea.
Don't put the tea would be kind of, I don't know, that would be weird. I wouldn't do that. But it's certainly good on the fabric. All right, thanks everybody for coming to visit. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, friends.